How to fix eBay app listing error. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are facing issues with listing items on the eBay app, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some quick solutions to get your listing up and running. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A poor internet connection can lead to errors while listing items. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching between them to see if it helps. Next, update or reinstall the eBay app. Bugs can sometimes cause listing issues. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for any updates to the eBay app. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app for a fresh start. Next, clear apps cache. Clearing the cache can fix various issues. Here's how. Go to settings on your device, find apps or apps manager, then locate eBay. Tap on storage and select clear cache. This won't delete your data but will refresh the app. Next, check item details. Ensure all required fields in the listing form are filled out. Missing or incorrect information can cause errors, so double check that everything is complete, including photos, price, and description. If the error continues, try logging into eBay on a different device or browser to see if you can list your item there. Sometimes certain app or device settings may interfere with listing. And that's it. One of these solutions should help resolve your eBay app listing error. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.